Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making some decor. It could be for a home, wedding, baby shower, and so forth. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first DIY, we are taking a textured ball that we textured. It's actually a styrofoam ball that we textured in a previous video, and we will link that video down below in case you'd like to make a textured ball. We like the way the textured ball looks for this project. It gives it more of a rocky look, and it's really nice. So if you would like to use the same method, then we will link that video down below. We purchased these paper roses at Michael's, and they come 2 in a pack for $1. We used our AC More coupon, and we got 60% off of the roses. We will continue this process until the roses are complete. Now it is time to decorate, and this part is optional. You can use the pearls, diamonds, anything you desire. If you want to just keep it plain, you can do that as well. We are mixing up this satin by Martha Stewart, and it doesn't have a name, but it is the color of bubblegum, and it's a light pink. We're mixing it up, and we are going to apply it on the wooden tag. Now we are applying a stencil onto the wooden tag, and we thought it would be cute to put some type of initial onto the wooden tag, but this part is optional. You don't have to put it on the wooden tag. You can put whatever you choose. If you want to put whatever logo on your tag, then feel more than free to do so. We just used a initial to give you an example of what you can put on the tag. We're dabbing it with a touch of glue so the ribbon will permanently stay in place. We are finished with the first DIY and we think it turned out absolutely beautiful. So moving on to the next DIY, we are applying a styrofoam textured ball, one that we did in a previous video. We will link it below in case you would like to follow the method of texturizing your styrofoam ball. Particular DIY, we are using a rope and we wanted to do it a little different from the first DIY. So we are tying it like we would tie a shoestring. We're going to cut the rope at the end and dab a little bit of glue so that the ends will not unravel. So this does complete our second DIY. We wanted to add character to each decor, so we added a wood tag to one and we added a rope to the other. And we think it turned out absolutely beautiful. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. We will see you on our next video. Bye.